This video is for the burnt out girlies who are ready to reclaim their peace. This video is also for you if you have a goal that you have been writing down for the last few years, months, and you just keep watching that goal go by and by every year or every time. This is for you. I want you to ask yourself, what is your most productive time in the day, or the most productive part, and then how can you maximize that? I ask that because if you have a goal that you desire, whether it's a health goal, a business goal, a personal goal, maybe you want to learn knitting like I wanted to, the most important thing you can do is to carve out the time. So for me, currently, I have 9 to 5 hours, just as an example, and I wanted to prioritize my health, but I felt like I never had time because I was always waking up when it was time for work, and then work would come, and then my workout, by the end of the day, I don't want to work out. So my most productive part of my day is actually a little bit before work. It's in the morning when I get to have that time to myself. If you watch the first video in our series here, you'll learn why you have to prioritize yourself first, and this is why. I'm going to give you the 3 steps to and why it's important to make your productive part of your day for you. So 1, you have that goal. You need a plan. When do you plan on making it happen? Can you wake up earlier? Can you squeeze a little bit at night? Can you do something in the middle of the day? Creating a plan will make your goal come to life. Number 2, you want to carve out this time because you want to practice consistency. Yes, it feels so good to finally do something, but what I notice is consistency is what makes the goal come. It's not the I'm trying or I hope, I wish. It's actually getting boots to the ground to the goals that you want done. And you can do that by choosing that productive part of your day and then being consistent in your goal during that time. And with a plan and consistency comes results. So I want you to just think, what part of my day can I dedicate to me? To me personally, to me, my business, and to me and my wellness goals. I want you to commit to yourself today, Queen. That's the only way you're going to get the results you desire. Be sure to follow for our next video and our 90-day to our Well Nourished Era series, where I help busy women organize their lives and wellness plans to enjoy their well-nourished era.